There we go, man. Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
All right, first round done and heading on towards the next one. What are we getting, Joe?
We're gonna figure it out.
We gotta figure it out.
It's more what can.
You see, now we talking. Now we talking
Now
here,
we're
right?
talking.
Right. This is
we weren't talking before.
this is it. Like, how is this even allowed to be this good, man?
Yes.
And we're back, guys. I made it all the way from Tokyo to Hiroshima. Well, I was staying a couple of days. I settled down with some good lunch, even though it's snowy here and it's cold. My stomach is glad. I'm glad. We're working around the city, seeing if we can find something interesting to explore and dive into. And as many of you know, or at least if you took your history classes, Hiroshima is the place that the first atomic bomb was dropped on the earth, which is very sad. They try to preserve some of the things, like there's a hall they try to preserve, and otherwise there's some monumentals around the area, which you can go and kind of see. So yeah, follow me around. Having some dinner, and as always, the food experience here is like a story for itself. It's so exciting to go out every night or just during the day to find something to eat, because there's so much variation in it, and you can't seem to get enough of it. So yeah, let's see what this one is about. Wow, guys, just see what we got here. Incredible. So right now we are at Miyajima, and look at this little fella. How cute he is, huh? So I'm officially inside a shrine, which is the place where people used to go and pray and do their spiritual activities. Yeah, quite fascinating actually, and cold. There you go, little fella. Hope you bring me fortune, huh? Alright guys, I did it. I escaped all the tourist games. Like, wow. Am I the only one hating like all these tourist places, which are beautiful, but still, like, once they get the mark of being a tourist attraction, everyone just clowns together and go there, making it also much more annoying. So yeah, I thought I needed to leave it before getting a headache. So yeah, I'm currently on my way up to Mount Misen doing this hike. A few kilometers up to above around 800 or 900 meters above sea level. And yeah, I still have my backpack, which is heavy as fuck. And just to add to the challenge, there's apparently a venomous snake around here living in the bushes. So yeah, hopefully I'll get to the top without getting bit, because I can't do that here. No. All right, see you guys on the top. Old puppy here. Wow, gorgeous. Probably still not at the top yet, but a couple of 100 meters left. But this view is just stunning itself. That's what I love about hiking. You always get to these small stops along the route. Wow. And we fucking made it, guys. Yup. Insane. Let me know what you think. Wow. Ain't bad, no? Guys, this is quite scary. Remember I talked about the venomous snake? Something is bumping down there, trying to get out. Yes guys, this is so beautiful up here. The views are amazing, the sun just hits, and finally have some time out in the woods, which is something I've always kind of enjoyed, just being out in nature, away from the city and the crowds and all that stuff. So right now I have some time to just reflect upon stuff, and one question I often get from my friends and family is why I travel alone and not with people. And to that I would say that I prefer going with people, but it's not always possible. So I'd rather just go out on my own and do all the stuff that I want in my life, instead of just waiting for the perfect moment, because there is no perfect moment. So if you feel like you also want to go out and travel and stuff, but you don't have friends to do it with, or your friends don't have time, or family don't have time, I'd say just go out and try it. This is my 4th or 5th time, something like that, alone, and I really love it, and I'm enjoying it more and more every time I do it. And I'd say Japan is really wonderful, especially because I've met so many great people here as well. Not as many as I would other places, more popular places for backpackers, but Japan is still amazing, and the things I've done with people will keep being memories. And there's so much like personal growth into it, trying to be on your own and managing all these things, especially in a country where things are a bit different, I'd say, or it's a lot different. And yeah, it's just about trying it out, jumping out to it and see whatever happens. You kind of get more and more confident being on your own, because you learn stuff. You learn a lot of stuff about yourself, which is fucking great. And this just makes it more fun to be out there, I'd say. Yeah, so try it out, guys. It's something you won't regret, at least I'd say. A little pit stop on the way down. I love how these machines work. Really. Just insert the coins. Press. And it has everything.